guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video, of course, is on this eye look right here. I am using Dream Street palette by Kathleen Light and ColourPop. Now, when I first saw this palette, all the shadows, spoke to me. But this shadow right here intrigued me so much. I was like, I need to do a look with that. I just love teals and everything. And I was just like, I never did a look like this before, so why not? Let's do it. And then of course Kathleen did a look just like this using this shadow, and I wasn't going to do this eye look because of that, but I was like, you know what, I have to give my heart what it desires, and it was doing a video on this, so this is what I'm giving you. And I love how it came out. I never did a dark look like this before, so I'm very happy how it came out. I was like, yes girl, work it. With that being said, if you want to see how I got this eye look, then keep on watching. To prime my eyes, I'm using the NYX HD Studio Photogenic Concealer. This is also good to cancel out any veins or discoloration on your eyelids. And I'm blending this with a clean finger. I'm going to use Dream Street by Kathleen Lights times ColourPop Shadow Palette. And the first shadow I'll be using is Shooting Star. I'm going to apply this in my crease. I'm just going to build this color up, and I'm not being precise at all. Now the star of the show is called Water Bearer. This is going all over my lid. I am not bringing this into my crease at all. And with this shadow, you have to pack on a couple of times. This shadow is called Elfish, and I'm going to apply this in my crease, and point blank is going to blend out Water Bearer so it won't look so harsh. It's like an ombre effect I want to do. It's like Water Bearer, Elfish, and then Shooting Star. Again, packing on that Water Bearer because it just, falls out going back and forth when you're blending. It's a lot of blending and packing on, so yeah. Now I'm using Shooting Star again to blend out my crease. Going into Magical, and I'm just going to, diffuse any harsh lines. And with a clean brush, I'm just going back and forth also just to make this look seamless. And one more time, I will be applying some more Water Bearer to intensify the color. This shadow right there is Moony, and this is a great highlight for your brow bone. This shadow, oh my god, I got compliments and people asked me what I had on my brow bone. Now just cleaning up my makeup and my eye look and any fallout on my face with a makeup wipe. To prime my face, I'm using, hold up, yes, I have a pimple, don't mind me. I'm sad about it, but yeah. Okay, so again, like I was saying, priming my face with the MAC Prep Plus Prime Natural Radiance. Since I have dry skin, this primer is really good. It makes my skin feel moisturized. And of course, I'm using my Holy Grail foundation, the Fit Me Foundation from Maybelline. I need to use another foundation, but I just love this one, so it works for me. And just blending this out with my sponge from Real Techniques. Again, going in with the NYX HD concealer to conceal under my eyes and just highlight my face. Now I'm going to spray the Project Beauty Spray Set Go Makeup Setting Spray on my sponge just to, make it a little bit more damp to blend out my concealer. Sorry, I feel like I can't talk today. To set my face, I'm using Wet n Wild Photo Focus Pressed Powder. I don't understand why I use this brush. It's so small, but I did and it worked, so yeah, no complaints over here. To highlight my cheekbones, I'm using Vintage by Jessica. I'm not gonna butcher her last name, so I'm gonna leave that out. I used the Chocolate Diamond highlighter side. Now to contour, I used Wet n Wild Mega Glow contouring palette, you know, to contour my face and also give some color to my skin. Blush, I used the Makeup Geek XOXO blush, and I'm just applying just a little bit because this blush is intense. It has a lot of pigment. It's pigmented, okay? Going back into the palette, I went into Shooting Star, and I'm just going to buff that all over my bottom lash. And I'm going to use Water Bearer really close to my lower lash line, and I'm bringing it into the inner corner as well. And now going back into Shooting Star, and I'm just buffing out so it won't have a harsh line. To highlight my inner corner, I'm using Kaleidoscope. This shadow is amazing. I need to use this in another look, like all over my lid. Now to I'm using, I don't even know what I'm saying. I'm using the Silky Eye pen from Pixie to use as my waterline. Going in with the L'Oreal Voluminous Carbon Black mascara for my lashes, and I also applied Falsies from Ardell Wispies. Contoured my nose with the Mega Glow contouring palette, and to outline and fill in my lips, I'm going to use the ColourPop Lippy Pencil and Lumiere. And then on top of that, I'm going to apply the Ultra Glossy Lip from by Kathleen Light and ColourPop in Moonchild. I am obsessed. This glossy lip is amazing. So yeah guys, I am done with this video. I hope you enjoyed, and if you did, please give my video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. So yeah guys, I'll see you next time. Bye. Oh crap,
You're afraid of bugs? Get a bug. Says who? Your mom?
Yes.
Back. You kinda like that.
Oh, you mean like that guy thing where you act all mean and distant until you get us to break up with you?
Hey, you know about that?
It's gonna be this way. When I first... Do you hear that? Welcome back to my channel. So today's... Are you kidding me?